sitting on a Bobcat T590 track machine. You can tell. I'm just going to show you how to run the joysticks. This is on an ISO pattern, so it's got a foot throttle too. This thing even rolls cold. Watch this. Okay, so now we'll idle up a little bit here with the foot throttle. This is forward. This is backward. Forward left. Forward right. And then back right, left, back right, or back left, and back right. And then this is your bucket. Up, booms up, down. Your tilt in and out. In's tilt, out it's done. It's basically a basic rental machine. It's got the manual pins on it. It's got throttle, key start. This is your H pattern. I'll switch it over and show you what that is. Your H pattern is basically your like our foot and stick machine, but your sticks drive everything. This is sideways. You pull them both of these sticks backward, it comes backward. This is sideways, and then this is your bucket curl in and out, and then this is up, down. I ain't very good on that, but they're kind of touchy. But that's your up, and your down. Sideways, drives that way. It's got bucket float on here, your hand throttle, of course. But yeah, I run mine on all ISO. I cannot run the H pattern very well, so I just run on the ISO pattern. But that's a little instructional how to run a joystick machine, a Bobcat one especially. This goes for most of them, but this is just for the Bobcat. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.